Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics, topic numbers, which is covered in chapter 1 numbers, starting on page number 10 of your textbook titled Essential Mathematics, Srijan Publications, and is being submitted to you on 12th of April 2021. Dear children, let us continue with our discussion on four-digit numbers and learn more concepts related to these numbers. So, let us start with the concept of place value. Students, while writing a four-digit number, digit written in extreme right occupies one's place. Moving from right to left. Next is tens, then hundreds, and then thousands. Let us solve few examples. See example number 1. Write the place value of all digits in 7285. So, children, the digit written in the extreme right is 5. So, 5 is at one's place. And its place value is, the digit is 5 and it is at one's place. So, 5 multiplied by 1 gives us 5. So, the place value of 5 in this number is 5. Now, look at 8. 8 is written after 5. So, 8 is at the tens place, moving from right to left. 8 is at tens place. So, 8 multiplied by the place is tens. 8 multiplied by 10 gives you 80. Similarly, moving towards the left now, 2 is at hundreds place. So, its place value will be 2 multiplied by 100, which gives us 200. And in the left, extreme left, we have 7, which is at thousands place. So, 7 multiplied by 1000 gives you 7000. So, children, I hope you might have understood that place value of a digit is obtained by multiplying the digit with the place it occupies. Now, with the help of example number 2, we will learn how to write the numeral if we are given the place of the given digits. Now, see, 5 at thousands place. We have to write the numeral which is having 5 at thousands place, 0 at hundreds place, 3 at tens place, and 1 at the ones place. So, how to write it? First of all, mention O is for ones, T is for tens, H is for hundreds, and TH for thousands. So, at thousands place we have 5. At hundreds place we have 0. At tens place we have 3. And we have 1 at ones place. So, the number is 5031. Similarly, we can write the numeral if we are given the place value of digits. Let us do one more example. We have to write the numeral if place value of 4 is 4000. The place value is given. 4 is at the thousands place. 5 is 500, which means 5 is at the hundreds place. The place value of 3 is 30, which means 3 is at the tens place. And the place value of 7 is 7, which clearly says that 7 is at the ones place. So, mentioning with the help of the proper place value, the number becomes 4537. So, I hope with the help of these examples, you must have understood the concept of place value. Now children, we will move to learn what is abacus. Students, abacus is a counting tool which is used to show numerals. Now, as we are dealing with 4-digit numbers, so a 4-pin abacus can be used to show numeral of a 4-digit number. Let us learn how to show the numbers on the abacus. For example, we have to show 3235 on the abacus. First of all, we will write the place value of the numbers. Now we know that in 3235 there are 3 thousands, 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 5 ones. So abacus is a counting tool which is showing you 4 pens as we have to depict a 4-digit number. Now as we can see here, the first pen on the extreme right is ones, next to ones is tens, next to tens is 100, and after that on the extreme left we have th stands for thousands. So as there are 3 thousands, so we'll be showing 3 beads on the thousands pen. 1, 2 and 3. As we have 2 hundreds, so on the hundreds pen we'll be showing 2 beads. 2 beads on the hundreds pen. Tens are 3, so it will be having 3 beads on tens. And similarly, ones are 5, so ones pen will be having how many beads? It will be having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 beads. So this is the way how we can show the numbers on the abacus. Now through example 2, we will learn how to write the numeral shown on the abacus. Now the numeral is shown in the abacus and we have to tell which numeral it is. Children, what we'll be doing? We will just count the number of beads on pins. Now as you can see on the extreme left, we have a thousands pin which is showing how many beads. Let us count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 beads on the thousands pin. On hundreds pin, we don't have any bead, so it will be counted as 0. At tens, we have 2 beads, and at ones place we are having 3 beads. So the numeral which will be having, which is shown on the abacus, is having 5 at the thousands place, 0 at hundreds place, 2 at tens place and 3 at ones place. So dear children, the number shown on the abacus is 5023. So I hope now all of you will be able to show numbers on the abacus. Let us continue further and learn how to compare the numbers. While comparing 4-digit numbers, we need to see first the thousands place. The number which will be having greater thousands will be greater. Let us check out with the example. We have to compare 6285 and 3262. Now children, see the thousands place of these 4-digit number. As 6 thousands is greater than 3 thousands. We'll be just comparing the thousands place first. So 6,000 is greater than 3,000. That means the number which is having 6 at the thousands place will be greater than the number which is having 3 at the thousands place. Similarly, we can say that 3262 is less than 6285. Children, please note, if thousands place is same, check for the hundreds place in the same manner. If both thousands and hundreds place is same, check for the tens place. And if tens place is also same, then check for the ones place. Let us see one more example where thousands, hundreds and tens places same. For example, we need to compare the numbers 9657 and 9654. Now, as you can see that in this example, we have same digits at thousands, hundreds and tens place. We can see thousands, hundreds and tens place is the same. Now we are left with only the ones place. So comparing the numbers at the ones place, we are having 7 and 4. Now, as we know, 7 ones is more than 4 ones. So, the number which is having more ones will be greater. So, 9657 is more than 9654. Or we can say that 9654 is less than 9657. Similarly, numbers can be written in ascending or descending order by comparing the digits. Let us check out with the example. We have to arrange the given numbers in the ascending order. Students, ascending order means increasing order. That is, we need to write the numbers from the smallest to the largest. Now, we will just see which number is the smallest here. First of all, compare the thousands place. The thousands place is same everywhere in all the four numbers. Now, we will compare the hundreds place. We will look for the number which is having the smallest hundred. As we can see here, 7326 is having the smallest hundred. So it will be placed at first place. After that, 500s and the number is 7529. Now we will see for the next place, which would be 7726, and the highest hundreds is 8 and the number will be 7820. So this order is the ascending order, means the increasing order of the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Now through example 4, we will learn how to arrange the following numbers in descending order. The numbers given to us are 4200, 4231, 4296 and 4900. Students, descending means decreasing order. That is, we need to write the numbers from the largest to the smallest. Descending, coming down from the largest to the smallest. We will look for the largest number. As the thousands places same in all the four digits, we will look for the hundreds place. The greatest hundred is showing here 9. The digit 9 is the greatest in the hundreds place. So 4900 is the greatest number. After that, we'll be having 4296. Then 4231, and finally the smallest will be 4200. So we have just compared the numbers at various places to get the numbers written in descending order. So dear students, here I am concluding the topic. So now get ready for some home assignment questions. You need to do the given home assignment questions from exercise 1.4. It is question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Exercise 1.5, you need to do the parts B, D, G and H only. And exercise 1.6, we have part A, C, E and F only. These questions are to be done in the book only. And from exercise 1.7, do question number 3, part B and D, and question number 4, part B and C in your maths notebook. Thank you, students.